Homemade melt-in-your-mouth dark chocolate. Homemade chocolate that melts in your mouth. This wholesome chocolate recipe is made without artificial ingredients or waxes and is ideal for health-conscious individuals who enjoy an indulgent treat. The sweetness can be tweaked to taste, and add-in ingredients and combinations are endless. Enjoy. Ingredients: half a cup coconut oil, half a cup cocoa powder, 3 tablespoons honey, 1/2 teaspoon vanilla extract. Directions: gather all ingredients. Gently melt coconut oil in a saucepan over medium-low heat. Stir cocoa powder, honey, and vanilla extract into melted oil until well blended. Pour the mixture into a candy mold or pliable tray. Refrigerate until chilled, about 1 hour. Recipe tips: flavor by adding orange zest, peanut butter, dried coconut, chopped nuts, cinnamon, cayenne pepper, etc., to taste and consistency desired. Stir in after melting coconut oil, cocoa powder, honey, and vanilla together. You can use maple syrup instead of honey. The number of servings and the time it will take for the chocolate to set depends on the thickness of the molds used. This chocolate is not recommended for baking and must be kept refrigerated.